Hello friends, this is Bala. Actually, I am going to take class about Excel from basic level to advanced level. This is my first video that I start with Excel operators. Here I have selected 4 operators: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Here I will use this operator and show you how to calculate these two numbers. Okay, this is the answer column. Okay, this is the answer column. Now I am going to add this two number which is in this is column. Friends, these are all columns. Okay, this is rows. In Excel sheet this is called rows and this is called column. Okay, now I am going to add this two number F5 and G5. Okay, this is F5 and this is G5. Okay, here now I am going to do addition. First select is equal to, okay, is equal to, and then select F5 and operator plus and G5 and enter. This is the calculation, that two numbers, addition of two numbers. Next one, subtraction. Okay, the same is equal to F5 minus G5, enter. 6 is the answer. Next one is equal to F5 multiplication. In multiplication you have to select the star in keyboard. Star is equal to multiplication. Okay, star and then G5. Now enter. This is the answer. Next one is division. Same is equal to F5 slash or divide, anything you can tell, slash G5 and then enter. This is the answer. Okay friends, now we complete this calculation. Now you can change any number here. Okay, for example, if you select 50 in F5 and in G5 25 means for this two number, this is the result, is it? And again I am changing, see here, now I am changing as 100 and here I am changing as 50. Okay, this is the answer for this. Now I am changing first small number. Okay, this is 5 and next one is 10. Okay, now this is the answer. Okay, okay friends, this is my first video. Actually we plan to go for up to advanced level in Excel, VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, like that. This is the basic level. Step by step we will move. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day friends.